Well, hello there, folks. Video blogging is not my thing, and we've been on a bike ride, so unfortunately, I'm a little delayed in getting stuff out to you, but I thought I'd give you a real quick recap on what we've been doing. Landed on the 5th of June in Paris, and then traveled by bus out to Holgate in Normandy on the coast, and then on the 6th of June, we went out and did a quick little ride, visited some locations that the Canadians were at, including Hell's Corner, where the Canadian Brigade was bogged down for months on end by German tanks, which ended up pulling in enough tank support that they had spread their line too thin, and the Americans came in from the side, as well as an abbey where 21 Canadian prisoners of war were murdered by German SS officers, one by one. So it's been quite a ride. From there, we went to Juno Beach on the 7th, which was a blessing because the security and everything, with all the heads of state visiting Normandy for D-Day. 70th anniversary was ridiculous, and the crowds were pretty good. Get the GoPro footage sorted out here soon, get that up for you. So the 6th, we hit a couple points, Hell's Corner, the Abbey. 7th, we went to Juno Beach and then to a nearby cemetery where we were led through a brief service by Padre Ralph, which was very beautiful. And from then on, yesterday was a transition day, so it was a 121-kilometer bike ride, mostly uphill, some little downhills, but mostly uphill, to get here to Rouen in Normandy. From there, things had a day off, so we went out and toured. Turns out Rouen was the capital of Normandy when it was its own little province thing, little country. And then when it brought into the greater country of France, turns out it was also the burning place of Joan of Arc. Got to see that, as well as the Rouen Cathedral, which is just utterly amazing. It's definitely something to lay your hand on 500-year-old stone and know it was laid. 600. And once we finished all those tours, we've got a dinner tonight. It's definitely been an interesting go, riding beside traffic, through roundabouts, cross bike paths, standing on Juno Beach, day after D-Day. It's definitely very humbling. And again, we did a quick group picture and spent some time, listened to some stories. And tomorrow is Dieppe, and as King's Own Calgary Regiment member, I am beyond ecstatic to be able to hit Dieppe here, PDQ, and we'll see how it goes. So keep an eye out, and we'll throw in some GoPro footage for you, just for your amusement. Maybe I can find the one of Steve falling over. Fortunately, the camera wasn't rolling when I fell over, so. But a lot of pictures to follow, and once I'm home and got a little bit more time and resources, I will definitely get a nice, good video put together for you guys. So have fun, enjoy. Thank you very, very much for the donations supporting this. Like I said, half the funds will go to Courageous Companions, which is service dogs. The other half comes to us at Camp Praxis. So again, thank you very much, and we'll see you in a couple days when I got a chance to sit down and upload another one for you. All right? Have a good day. Bye-bye.